Hello. This is True Sense, and this is True Life Health. Let's get into it. So, there's a lot of things in health that I would like to talk about. I'm going to try to get into everything that I can. But first, I want to start out with skin conditions. So, part of my story is I grew up with eczema, like bad eczema. I wouldn't even be able to be on camera right now. My face breaking out, eyes swollen, hands covered, legs, my whole body, stomach, back, neck, everything. So I just want to talk about that. And if you have eczema, this is probably a good video for you, because I spent years and years and years and money on top of money on top of money buying different stuff, hoping that it would just work. I can get my regular skin back like I see everybody else with. Like, it sucks when you have a bad skin condition. You go in public, you look at other people, and they're like, their skin be just smooth, like no flaws. And I'm like, what? Like, these people, you guys are nearly perfect compared to me. But no, I used to think that there was no cure. I used to try so hard, like, man, this is just something I gotta deal with. And though there may be things in life you have to deal with, most of these sicknesses and diseases ain't one of them. I'm here to tell you, I've been looking into black seed oil. I've been not just looking into it, I've been using it. Black seed oil and detoxing, that's what I want to get into today. So what I did, one of the first things that I did, I had a little bit of black seed oil. I wasn't using it religiously or whatever like that yet. But what I did is I went on a detox, and with food, I had organic, of course. It was kale, spinach, cilantro, and I would put that stuff together in a salad, and I would eat that every day and try to eat as healthy as I can. Like, you don't want to eat fast food and eat that. Like, so I try to eat like rice and beans or whatever I had, and then I'd have my little salad bowl every day. It was a lot. There was a lot of kale, spinach, and cilantro all up in there, and it was good. I had my balsamic dressing. It was good. So I went on that detox, to see if that stuff even works, and it sure does. It sure does. And what it did is it flushed out the stuff in my body that seemed like it's been irritating me over the years. And a lot of the flare-ups I had on my skin that just wouldn't go away, they just went away by themselves. I didn't have to put anything on them. I didn't have to do anything. They went away by themselves. And I was in shock, because this whole time I'm thinking I gotta apply something to my skin to get rid of the eczema. Which, some of these steroid medicines, they kind of did, but it didn't keep the eczema from coming back. And that was the problem. I needed to just get rid of it. I don't want to see you again. So I started with that, and I was like, wow, so it's like kind of like an inside out thing. I don't need to go from the outside in. So what I did was, I figured, over the years I must have been eating something that, was irritating my skin. But later I did some more research. I came across, I'm looking at articles about eczema. I'm like, man, I gotta figure this out, because now I'm getting desperate. Like, this is getting ridiculous. I'm tired of going through this. So I started doing more and more research. Like, after I got to like the 9th or 10th article I read, I read all types of articles. They all say something different. So I finally got to one. It talked about how eczema is where your immune system is overreactive. I was like, okay, that makes sense. But then I remembered a video I watched on benefits of black seed oil and how it regulates the immune system. So I was like, overreactive immune system, and then you have something that regulates it, so it puts it where it's supposed to be at. So I'm like, okay, I like that. So what I did is I started taking black seed oil every day, the liquid. Some people take the capsules. I've never taken the capsules, but I have the liquid, and I'm taking I think it's a teaspoon a day. Sometimes I take 2. One when I wake up in the morning, then one before I go to bed. Like, especially if you really need it, you can probably take 2, but you want to start low to see what you can take, how your body reacts. And yeah, I did that every day for, I think once I got to about a week in, I started noticing my body wasn't breaking out. Because I had to stop eating wheat. I had to stop eating eggs, dairy. I'm like, this stuff keeps giving me flare-ups. Every time I eat these foods, a small little patch of eczema turns into a huge patch. You know, so I'm like, I cut out wheat. I cut out all of that. I'm like, man, I'm tired of this. But when I started doing the black seed oil, I started eating wheat again. Nothing. No breakouts, no bumps, no flare-ups, no rashes, none of that. So I was like, man, this stuff really must be working. And it does. It does. Because I was doing that for a while. I cured my eczema, all of it gone. Every last bit gone. And it was gone for like a month. And I stopped taking it. And then my eczema actually started coming back. I started eating these peanuts. Because I think I have like a nut allergy reaction, or I don't know. But I started eating these certain peanuts, and they were giving me flare-ups again. So I started drinking the black seed oil again every day. Same thing happened, eczema gone. And that's where I'm at right now. It used to be bad. Like my face has been clear every day. Like I've never experienced anything like that. So if you have eczema, I'm hoping this video helps you out, because I used to look at videos back to back, scrolling, trying to find the right one with this remedy, that remedy. It doesn't matter what you put on your skin, natural. You can put natural stuff on your skin for sure. I would not recommend steroid cream after you lose that stuff for too long. It does have side effects. So, you know, if you need to get the eczema away, you could probably use a steroid cream, but you want to be done with it after that. You don't want to do this stuff every day, year after year, like I was. But it is important. The black seed oil you can use on your skin as well. I mixed it with castor oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil. I don't even know if I said that right. There's different oils you can look up that are good for your skin. Essential oils as well as just regular oils. Of course, if you get the essential ones, you want to dilute them with the regular ones. You know, hemp seed oil, all those things, they're really good. But the black seed oil is nothing compares. If there's anything I can use on my face, black seed oil is probably the only one. You know, maybe the jojoba oil. I really don't know if I'm saying that right, but really the black seed oil is what cleared up my face. But along with everything else, the oil, it works. But if you're putting something on your skin, but you're not detoxing what's inside, it may go away, but it's going to come right back. And sometimes it don't even go away at all. You're like, oh man, this stuff don't even work. Actually, it does work. It's this. There's something inside of you that you need to get rid of. So go on a detox. Look into black seed oil. Get you some. Take the supplement every day, however you want to take it. Take it as prescribed, as it says. And it works. It works. After a week or two, I can guarantee you're going to see a difference. You know, I can guarantee you're going to see a difference after a week or two. So I'm hoping you guys find this video, whoever needs it, because there's a lot of people who suffer with this condition, and I'm glad to finally speak on it, man. I'm glad to finally do it, man. I'm just like, I was sitting around, I'm like, the longer I think about doing something, the more time I'm wasting that I could have been doing. So yeah, man, I just want to help you guys a lot, because I wouldn't wish nobody to have this condition. There's a lot of health conditions in life that people suffer with. And as you heard, it's about immune systems and the overreactiveness or under, whatever it is. So this may not help with just eczema. This can probably help with a lot of things. Anything that has to do with the immune system being overreactive or less reactive, then this video can probably help you. Black seed oil does cure a lot. I'm trying to finish this up. It's just not the skin. Like black seed oil, it gets all the mucus out your body, and this is what I experienced. Like, I've looked up the benefits, the YouTube videos, the articles, all that. Most of that stuff is definitely true when it comes to this oil. You know, the mucus. When I take that stuff at night, I wake up, I gotta blow my nose, and I'm not sick or nothing. I blow my nose, all this mucus is coming out. You know, it's good stuff. It boosts your immune system as well. It does a lot of stuff. Like, I could make a huge list on personal experiences of what I've experienced with the oil. So yeah, I should have brought the bottle in here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go get it, show y'all guys. But peace out. This is True Sense with True Life Health. Anything about health I'm talking about on this channel. Thank you. See you guys later. Bye. Okay, so I had to go get the bottles and show you guys what I be using. Got the sun all over here. Black seed oil. See if the camera can clear up. Yeah, that's it. It says a North American herb and spice. Heart healthy. I was trying to find the brand name. I guess that's what it is, North American Herb and Spice. But yeah, that's the bottle I use. I shop at my natural local food store, and they have a bunch of supplements you get in there as well. So that's that. I hope y'all can see it. The camera don't want to focus right now. But I also use a black seed oil from this company. This is castor oil, but this company also sells the black seed oil as well. Particularly, I think I like this one better. It just seems more potent. It seems like this is the one I used that cured me. So I believe the other one probably would have did the same thing. I don't know. But yeah, this is the castor oil that I use. There's other brands of castor oil that I've used that are more expensive. And you know, I don't know why they all come in different prices, but I think some are more potent than the other ones. But I see nothing wrong with this one. It was pretty cheap. It was like $5. And they sell like a huge bottle for like $8-10. And the castor oil gives it a nice thickness. You know, I mix it with the black seed oil. It gives it a nice thick coat to stay on your skin. But I have a natural vegan type of lotion that really helped a lot, because it really helps it get into the skin. Like when you just use the oils, some of it gets rubbed off. I don't think all of it really gets in, so I use a lotion behind the mix of oils that I use, and it helps a lot. The lotion I have has a lot of natural, like, plant-based stuff in there. So you know, if you have eczema, you want to use no fragrances or anything like that. You want to get fragrance free. You kind of got to go to special stores to find this stuff. Like you go to Walmart, you don't really find stuff at these regular markets and all that. So yeah, that was this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you, and until next time, peace.